smile? Can we move on as before? I could wait for 1,000.
Kalimutan ko nang mag-video. Sunday, April 19. Ayan na. Alin?
Sa atin lang.
Hindi kulang pa.
Yung iba uupo na lang, wala ng table.
Lagyan mo na lang sa gilid. Ayan, tapos pumutok pa yung isang loob. 7. Baka nagde-text na sa akin si may paper bag.
Iyan naman ako sa mga doon siguro. Papunta rito. Diyan na yung lechon. Ano?
Ay, yung drinks mo.
Isa.
Sabi mo, din yung drinks mo.
Yung drinks. O, di na nga din. Isang lechon.
Just to feel your heart pumping next to my heart. Do you feel the love you're missing part? That you're finally right. You got me out of this feverish dream. You are holding my hand. I have no clue, don't know what it means, but I know you'll understand. 'Cause when you're away, there's a hole in my heart. Feels like a deja vu. I know for sure you are my missing part. I know that you'll be you. 'Cause you're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the spark takes me higher, sweetheart. Let me be close to you forever and ever, darling. You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart. Sweetheart. You're my sweetheart.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
Yung ating kwek-kwek. Ano yung lechon. Tapos yung ulan. Nagluluto na si Mami na ang gulay. Aga pa naman, pero luto na siya kasi may mga ipiprito pa. Tara! Sinampaluan! Gulay! Gulay! Mga buro. Buro.
Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning?
Ha? Bakit malit?
Ay, mainit din ano.
Malit nga doon.
Mamaya, madali na din.
The lechon. Yeah, Peppa Pig. Nakakatay na si Peppa Pig. Makakain sana ako. Ano to? It's so big.
Why is it long?
O de, it's a mommy pig. Oh.
Why's the mommy?
Yes. Of course.
Mommy, what?
Do you feel bad for the pig?
Huh?
Do you feel bad for the the wonderful apple?
The one pa. Yeah.
Para malagyan mo rin ng pagkain natin.
Is this tough?
Oh my
Huwag mo ko yung titirain para malagyan.
Guys, put back the blanket.
Lechon. Dion, dito ko sa ano, pipicturean kita. Dion,
O, sige yun.
doon ka sa ano. Sa kabila.
Man, it's so crispy, the skin.
Yeah, the skin's
Come on, Dion, doon ko sa other one. Oh. Sa other side. Lola Banji, we're gonna see. For sure.
Dion.
Here, only here. Oo, pare, kakagatin mo yung ano. Yung tenga, yung lechon. Okay,
Make it like that. Doon sa tenga.
doon sa tenga.
Like this.
Sa
Not
ear.
the chocolate one. Yung ano. May pang ano ka na. Mamaya.
Wait, Daddy, can I just take here?
Yeah, of course. Oh my God. Pangkoro.
Kalam na uli pa eh. Ay pala eh.
Hey, it's so painful.
I know, it's hard.
Not there.
We gave this pig a hard life.
Kadi, picture mo dyan. Picture mo diyon. Pare, kakainin niyo yung ano.
your birthday, dear. It's your
Ganon, okay, ganon. Hindi yun, look daddy, ganon. Good.
So tough. You look.
Buat ka ng hand mo doon. Basta may chocolate soup.
I'm done.
Don't.
I'm done. I'm literally done washing my hands.
No, no.
Yeah. I mean, you did it. Years old eh. With John.
Somebody save me.
Later.
You tried it like
Later. Wala ka
From
ng
miles away, I can tell there's something's off.
Kalaki ni Liya.
Way you're looking, how you look. Now you talk. I think you said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in the car. You say
Let's cut this part.
Don't need you here to say it's sorry.
This?
12.5 lang yun.
You're gonna leave me, baby. Just do it. Take it slow, don't be gentle. I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, just do it.
Welcome to the farm. Why?
Let's be honest for a second.
We're going to stem explain. Huh?
Over your head.
Tinan mo, nauna ka pa sa ano. Hi, vlog.
Tingnan mo yan kasi lasang pancake.
Lulutuin mo na pagkabayan.
Naka-vlog ka ba?
Hindi, pinuto na to. Mainit to. Yung fish ball.
Kukunin na ng fishball.
Bibila ko ng bisla.
Ito, isa.
Yung piso ba? Isa ka
Oo.
pala.
Eh, ganun talaga. Eh, private occasion.
Hindi ka ganon.
Hindi.
Ganon na yun.
Dapat na may panandok tayo.
Dapat may cup kang ano. Hop na.
Tikman nyo, masarap po yung sauce ko.
Ma-inlove ko siya.
Hindi ka wrong timing ka. Utong di mo.
The biggest not mad
Maaga ikaw din ba?
The biggest sucker.
Take it slow, don't be gentle.
Hindi pa.
Sabi ko magganito tayo.
Pagsutin mo na si Dion ng magandang dalit. Pag ba yun ang dalit?
Aba, hindi ko pa nga pinagbibihis.
Ayun ba yun?
Dion, come!
Ano pa bro?
Dion!
Tinangay mo yung may Carmen. Hoy.
Hindi, wala pang ano.
Ay, akin niya ang putin. Ay, ano na ba rin laman?
Blending ha.
You're gonna leave me, just do it. Take it slow, don't be gentle. I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, just do it.
Dami, pinaganda mo pa yung food card ko rin eh. Para social ko ah.
Social nga.
Sino ba bibili ng sigaw?
Nakabihis
Hindi,
na.
picture mo na tapos saka tayo sa baby. Hindi, natin. Huwag mo kaya mo natin na-receive. Wala pa silang picture nakatayo dyan.
Tawagin mo si daddy.
Oo.
Give me that. Call.
Sila sa
Hindi ba inabot ko sa'yo? Oh, ngayon sa mo tat. Ayun na. Ayun.
Ito wala yung sangka ko dyan.
Ano ba yung gate mo, ha? Halika na. Ano yung gate mo?
Ako ilang araw ka na nagko-offer.
Bakit? Kailan?
Alam mo na, meron namang gamot eh. Nga pala kami. Kay Yoli nga pala kami nagko.
Ikaw lang nagko.
Hindi ko kaya yung ano na yun. Kasi masarap naman. Sarap sana.
Nagkoko. Sunod-sunod na araw na raw ako nagkoko. Eh siya nagkoko pala.
Hali ka na, takalan nila yung cake. Sarap. Pagka madagal.
Original.
Kapag madagal. Hali ka na, Diyan. Kuya, alis mo nila. Hindi ka muna sa ano, sa building.
Paano i-blow?
Patahanan mo.
Sino ba magboblo? Sila mag-ama?
Dalawa. Ang dalawa.
Ilan ba ang kandila? Isang malaki, isang maliit.
Dali, dalawa yung cake.
Ah, ganun.
Tigisa sila. Ali ka na. Dion, let's go na naman tapos na.
Kanta ka na.
Benta.
Uyang
Kain. Ebe, baka mapapapain pa nila.
Hoy, may picture naman yun, di ba? Ako camera lang yun.
Ito. May ano.
Oh, sige. Oh, you hold your...
Abay, may kandila yan.
Ate Ding, may lighter up eh.
Ay, mahangin ka lang.
Wala ka lighter.
Would you let it be? If I
Teka muna.
Oh, picture. Diyan.
Ayaw eh. Halika, nakakanta na tayo. Di ba lalika din eh. Nakakanta.
Ay, kumanta na daw kayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. O, teka lang.
Make a wish, ha?
Make a wish na naman. Galing sa ako.
Yan, hawakan mo.
Ayaw talaga.
Quarter blow na lang, quarter blow.
2, 3 blow. Blow. Yehey! Baka napipicture ako kayong apat.
Aray ko. Ang picture.
Oo. Liam, doon ka na.
But it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up. Instead, they knock us down. And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run till we fall apart. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. 9 to 5, we're all on the hustle. We wanna get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow.
1, 2, 3, smile. Happy
Happy birthday.
Cheers! Okay.
Down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run till we fall apart. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. No, they don't pick us up. Instead, they knock us down. And that's the way.
Wow, magkano ba isang pagka ikaw kumuha, Tita Beth? Simple lang yan, may kasama pang ano yan.
Makabola ko mga.
Ano ba yung sasabihin mo?
Uy, kumain na kayo. Kumain muna kayo. Scoop and look.
Wala. Pwede ba yung camera?
Video na nga. Ano bang gusto mo? Hindi pa papasa ko ba sa'yo?
Pwede naman umalis pag birthday mo.
Halika, daddy, halika. Picture daw.
Babalikan naman Canada, 10 years na naman balik mo.
10 years na. Kaya nga.
Matagalan sila eh, no?
1, 2, 3. Oh, yan.
Nangitin na ako, nangitin na.
Oo, tama ko.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello, Ramona. I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello, Ramona. I push back the serious feeling. The end's unknown. To get back the life I used to know. All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Kung kayo pagkain.
Mga bata nagsiswimming, tingnan natin. Naku po, nakala na pala si Chinchin. Sige nga.
Mommy, try this. Try it. Mommy, mommy, mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy, try it. Mommy, Pauline. Mommy. Mommy, look.
Oh my goodness, Julia.
Hey!
Kulok.
Chin-chin!
Kami marami ang customer! Marami akong customer ngayon.
Ay, daming customer nakapila. Tosok na.
Init din yan. Mainit na din ito tayo.
Hindi na ako.
Hindi pa kayo kainin mainit.
Yan,
Ay, hindi
bago
pa kayo
Ganda yun.
mainit.
kapabayan eh.
Pwede naman bukas.
Pwede naman bukas. Pwede naman bukas umalis eh. Di ba?
Iisip daw niya matay tago. Nakalimutan niya may malamig.
Di ba gumagana to?
Wala. Matagal nang sira yan.
Nagreklamo sila lahat daw maliwanag ako dito.
Sarap ano.
Leo, ito mainit. Ano ba, fishball? Init ko kayo?
Oo, iinit man din. Ayun natin.
Okay.
Isa lang yun.
Malambot yung taas. Okay, pastayin pa natin. Kaya rin nga nagbawa pa. Ano ito pa rin? Ito pa rin.
Vlogger eh.
Nagulat ka.
Wow! Ano yan? Tingin muna din eh.
Paano mag...
Saan ba yung baril niya?
Ano sa labas?
Ano pangalan?
Oh!
PS5.
That was good! Ano? Another monkey.
Remote control.
Pa!
Yun.
Pa!
Alaba sa yung regalo yung tito bon mo?
Pa! Pa!
Alaga rin naman si Cornelio.
Pa!
Dagdagan mo.
Another
Wala nang regalo si Bob. Wala.
pa!
Hindi siya nagdala.
Okay?
Yung blue one. Yung blue. Oh,
Ito.
yung blue.
I already know. Hey, you thanks.
Wow, dami. O, akin na yung paper bag.
Wait,
Ay,
thank you. Thank you. I just
Ayan yung paper bag, oh.
Kaya nga.
It's on me.
Ay, mami.
Yours.
Oh, that's from me. Aka na, gugupitin ko.
That's from Nene.
It's between me to me. I got out of your chocolate.
May pera ka.
Saan
ang paper bag mo?
Oh,
Binigay ni Ninang Mercy.
ano ba galing yan?
Lola Bet.
Si Iris.
Kay Lola
Ate
Bet.
Iris.
Kay Lola Bet.
Wow.